Hi, I'm Chris. I had Kitchen Mart come out and do a full kitchen remodel for me, and it turned out wonderful. My favorite part of the remodel is the countertops and how they contrast with the backsplash, the glacier ledger stone, and how it just all pops. All the colors from the new cabinet to the backsplash to the granite countertops is just wonderful. When I bought this house a year ago, I hired a local contractor just to do my shower in my master bath, just the shower. It took him 15 weeks. It was a nightmare. It was just a total hot mess. I asked a couple buddies of mine, one of them's a civil engineer, and he highly recommended Kitchen Mart. So when I called Kitchen Mart and had the sales guy come out here, it was a flawless process from the very beginning. I would absolutely use Kitchen Mart again. In fact, I'm having them come out to do my master bathroom and the guest bathroom, and then after that, they're gonna do my laundry room cabinets. When you're busy and you also travel, the most important thing's the scheduling. They were on target every time. Every step along the way, they were right on it. And then the quality, if something wasn't quite right, they would just take it off, fix it, or have it rebuilt and then reinstall it, and it was flawless. Even after the final installation, they have asked me, hey, have you gone through everything? If there's anything that's outstanding, let us know so we can come out and just make sure everything's dialed. And that to me is huge.
No one does it better than KitchenMart.com.